Hello everyone. Welcome again to Serum's Online Television. Yeah, it's me, Wede Okworo again, and I'm going to be talking about something exciting, but I want this video to be very short, so I won't take so much time. Please pay attention. Now, we're going to be talking about how to withdraw your earnings from Chippercash. Chippercash runs a referral system. Chippercash is a FinTech startup, okay, that allows you carry out your normal transactions you would do on a banking or using any banking app, pay bills and all of that. But they run a referral system that is rewarding, a highly rewarding referral system. And I'm going to show, and I've had a lot of questions from people saying that it doesn't work, it is not real, they don't pay. Okay, so now I have done series of withdrawals every day on Chippercash, and I'm going to do a practical example. I'm going to do a practical session now. You're going to watch me as I'm going to withdraw from my Chippercash account. Okay, but before I do that, remember to always subscribe to this channel so you get more awesome videos. Leave a comment below, like, share, and then you can also leave a comment and all of that. So click the notification bell so that you know when we have other exciting videos for you. All right, so let's go straight in so we don't make this video too long. First, I'm going to start by showing you some of the withdrawals I have done. I say I withdraw every day from Chippercash, so you see. Okay, you can see your cash out of 2,000 was processed successfully. Your new balance is 5,000. You can see this is my GT Guarantee Trust Bank app with the 2,000 there. See the dates. You can check the dates on this message, and the dates here, you will see the dates and then even the time. I'm going to just go through it. Now you see this is the 2,000 showing from Chippercash completed, that the process is completed, delivered to Guarantee Trust Bank. I'm just going to rush through. And now I sent 3,000 naira to somebody. You can see the name there. You can see the name of the bank and all of that. It was deducted from this account ending with 1830, 3,000 naira. Now you see here 3,000 naira withdraw. Look at the bank accounts there. Check here, you see the bank accounts ending with 1830. And you remember it was a first bank transaction. You can see first bank here, 3,000. All right, so you can see this 4,000 naira cashed out. I'm going to show you the transaction now. All right, so this is 4,000 naira cash out. You can't see it's from GT Bank, but you see 4,000 naira cash out on the 17th. Okay, you can't see but you see the time, 6:15 here. If you see the time, was it here? Check here, you see the time the money was received to my GT Bank is the same, 6:15, because it doesn't take up to a minute for a transaction to be processed. Now, I said before that it runs a referral system and it pays. Now, this is one of those one of my downlines who took my advice and they jumped on Chippercash. And I said in my next video, you see, I said before that you can make over $50 every week using Chippercash easily. Okay, this is somebody who has listened and has done exactly what I advised to do. And here is his comment: boss, good evening, how are you and work? I've gotten 22k on Chippercash. The 4 payments I'm expecting tonight will make it 27k. This is sweet. Now, this is the kind of thing I like to hear, for people who will take advice and they'll try things out and get results. All right, guys, without wasting much time, let's move. We're going straight away. I'm going to be doing a live transaction. I said I don't want this video to be long, so I'm going to do a live transaction on my Chippercash app. I'm going to withdraw from the Chippercash app. I withdraw every day. I transfer to my either I'm withdrawing or I'm using it to buy something online. I buy goods online using my Chippercash app. I do other transactions with my Chippercash app. So I want to do a live transaction. You can see my balance there is 3k currently. I have barely 3k left there. Okay, so I'm going to do, this is payments that came in. Okay, remember the 4,000, the 3,000 cash out to First Bank, the 4,000 cash out to Guarantee Trust Bank. This is it in my Chippercash app. You can see other transactions, other payments coming in every day. The list is long. Okay, so let's not waste more time. I'm going to withdraw, so you see how I do it live now. I click send. Do you see that? I click send. Sorry, error. You go to your profile at the top here. I use send if I'm going to send money to another person, but for some other transactions. But you go to your profile, click profile. Okay, now so you see it clearly, 3,000 naira current balance. I go to my profile. Then here you can, if you want to put money, transfer money into your Chippercash app, you can click add cash. But what I want to do is I want to withdraw. If you are doing foreign transactions, you can click here to confirm the rates before you send. But I want to withdraw, so I'll click cash out. All right, so here I put okay, let's do 2,000. I put 2,000 and I click continue. Okay, continue. Now I've already put different banks to transfer to here, so I don't need to put, except I want to add a new one. So I'm withdrawing to my GT account like I did the last 3 times. So you see, continue to pay this person Okoro Ogenere, the GT bank. The account number ends with 9886. So I click continue. Okay, guys, watch this so you see what happens now. Success, right? Done. Good. I click done. Oh, okay, done. Now you can see your transaction is being processed. 2,000 naira cents. Now it says here 2,000 has been processed successfully, so it means the transaction has gone. Initially it was telling me it is being processed. Now it says done. You see, it didn't even take 1 minute for the transaction to be processed. Okay, the payment has left here. If we check my profile, you will see that I have just 1,000 left in that account. Okay, so Chippercash, your cash out, you can see the notification up here. Your cash out of 2,000 has been processed. All right, let's do this now. Let me check my messages to confirm. Let's go to messages. But you've already seen that it didn't even take 1 minute for the transaction to go. So guys, that's how it works. Like I said, if you've not subscribed to this channel before, subscribe so you get awesome videos. We do a lot of free stuff. There are some paid stuff, but most of them are basically free. You don't have to spend money. See, Chippercash, just now, Chippercash 2,000 has been processed and sent to your chip. This is an SMS I received. Some people might still have doubts that, okay, what's the proof? Well, you can see all the transactions I've been doing. What's the proof? Okay, let me open my GTB app. Okay, let me open my GTB app and confirm if the payment has gotten in. Okay, so can you see it? 2,000 naira credited. Can you see it? Channel, this is it. 2,000. Today is 18th of August. You can see. So guys, like I said before, this works every time. So I wouldn't want to waste any more time. I don't want to make this video too long. Like I said, it works every time. So guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe. Have a pleasant day.